Hello friends, welcome to my channel MVCraftsnest. Please do subscribe. Today we're gonna do a product review on this watercolor paint set which I bought on Amazon for my daughter. She wanted a watercolor paint set, so I ordered this, which has a pad, brushes and 36 vibrant watercolors.
These are the brushes, and these are the books and paints. These are color paints. Did you know that? And also we're going to open it. It's kind of difficult, and we're going to have blank papers like this. See? Right there, you can draw, paint anything.
So this pad comes with 12 sheets which weighs around 300 grams and it's for ages of 3+. And this watercolor paints, there are like 36 of them, and they say they are vibrant colors. They are non-toxic and easy to clean up. Hopefully, I have never tried them on different surfaces. And the cover can be converted into a palette. And see, these are the 36 colors which we got. Let's see how they are. The plastic wrapping was unnecessary, I felt. This product is designed in USA but made in China. I didn't find the quality of the paper or the brushes very good. You'll know why in the end of the video. So these are the 6 brushes you got. They are very good. Not great, but they're good. So I'm gonna try to show you each and every brush. This is the flat brush I got. Two flat brushes, and this is one round of 2, and this is the spotter, and this is the another round brush, and this is the other flat brush which we got, and last one is the liner brush. I think the number is 0. So these are the 6 brushes we got. And that's the pad there. This is 12 sheets of 8.5 inches of length to 5.5 inches of width. So they are like half size of A4. So you can look at the one of the string came out of the brush already. I was using for the first time. So, and the brush quality was not so good, not so soft. But she did enjoy it because they all came in one set.
Just enjoy this video and like it. That's what we want you to do. I mean, enjoy. Yes.
She was doing a lot of talking while we were doing the video, but I didn't want to record all those things. So, but yeah, she wanted us to everybody to enjoy as she's doing this video for everyone, and she was sitting there patiently while I was testing all the colors and she was doing her drawing. She was finishing her watercolor painting. This is her first watercolors. She was kind of using it as the regular paint. She was not using it as the watercolors because she doesn't know yet. That's fine, probably as she watches me do it, she's gonna do it. So those are the colors which I'm trying to test. Some light colors are very good. They're like, I like the oranges and the pinks and the blues, but the blacks, browns didn't turn out brownish. They're not really so brownish. So probably we have to mix red, orange and black to make a proper browns. So I was testing the white on different colors to see how if it will I was testing the white to see if it will blend with the other colors after they have dried out. So you can see the close up of all the watercolors I have used, and this is the first time I'm using these watercolors. So see, the yellows are really very good and you can observe, but the quality is not so good. I tried to do with other different brushes, and as my daughter was not finished with her painting, I started testing with other brushes and tried to do some blending and all. I tried a quick butterfly with some strokes.
Like, share, and subscribe. Bye. I hope you loved. Please watch both my mother's and mine. Pull up. Bye. 4 hands. Bye. Bye. And this painting set I got today. That's mine. Bye. I like the video you do too. So bye.